Whooping cough, or pertussis, is a deep series of coughs that can be dangerous for young children and those with health complications, and it's extremely contagious. That's why this letter went out to parents at William Chrisman High School confirming one student there has the illness, urging parents to talk to your child's doctor if they develop a cough. The letter goes on to say there has been extra sanitizing done at the school. In September, Jackson County reported 5 cases of whooping cough, 3 of them at one elementary school. The Independence Health Department keeps its own statistics and tells me there have been 10 cases reported in the city so far this year. Last year at this time, there were 4. The best way to prevent pertussis is to be vaccinated, so the health department is urging parents to make sure your family's immunizations are up to date.